Welcome back to the recap of yet another beautiful Friday evening live. We have 7 gorgeous saris. I'm going to take you through from the simplest to the grandest of this week. Please stay with us till the end. Let's jump right in. Starting off with the simplest one. So if you remember the Onam collection, we've done an off-white with ikat border. So now we're bringing back a lot of pastel colors in this. This is a beautiful grayish blue combination with nice ikat on both sides and thread pallu all over. Moving on to sari number 2. Now, if you look at this is a series that has sold out amongst the fastest in store. We are thinking of bringing this back, but as of now, we have only 2 saris left. So, if you look at this is black with a simple motif all over. This is the blouse piece, and this will be your pallu. Both of them will be in a striped sequence, and the sari in itself is a plain black with colorful motifs all over. Sari number 3. These are the last few saris of this warp. This is done by one of our senior most weavers, and it can do only about 1 or 2 saris in a week. That's why you're seeing a lot of this. So if you look at the sari, this has this larger motifs all over. This is also 100% cotton, but the pallu is nice and grand with a lot of zari work. So sari number 4 is this beautiful cotton sari, but look at the border. So we'll be doing a lot of this border in the coming warp as well. So this was our sunset warp with all the colors of the sunset, and it has this very beautiful round golden border all over and a nice pallu. Now if you're a fan of brighter colors, that was on the darker side, then the same one is available in a much brighter sunset set of colors and an equally beautiful but thread pallu. Border is in zari all over with the round butta. Saris 6 and 7 are in silk by cotton. So the sari number 6, if you look at it, it's the same combination as the one that I'm wearing. But we've tried something new with the butta and the border as well. And the pallu is also in the contrast ivory color as mine. Very gorgeous, beautiful silk by cotton sari. Saving the best for the last always, the 7th sari of this week is this gorgeous off-white with a cobalt blue combination. So this does not have a border, but the buttas more than make up for it. If you look at the beautiful round butta, it takes us about 30 minutes to make one butta. One of the most labor-intensive saris that we make, and with a complete contrast blouse and pallu. Even the blouse has this butta which you can use for sleeves. And just look at the pallu. Sari number 7. So be it a super simple cotton sari, a grand cotton sari, or a gorgeous silk cotton sari, this was our top 7 picks for you this week. So that's it for today. 7 saris from 7 saris.